Hey, this is Michael from Logic Hop. I'm just going to do a quick walkthrough of Logic Hop working with WP Rocket, the caching solution. So as I go through the Logic Hop settings, one thing I want to show is that I do have JavaScript tracking enabled, and then the other thing that's important is I have JavaScript variables enabled. So those are two of the key things that we're going to need. If I come into the WP Rocket settings, you're going to see that I have the files set for optimization. I have the JavaScript files. You can also optimize all of the other files. The important thing here is under the advanced options, one of the things that I need to do to make this work is under the JS files to be included in the footer during the minification process is I need to add this ajax-methods.min.js file. We're already minifying it, but it's going to just include it in the footer, and that's going to allow that Logic Hop variable to be accessible for your page. So when I have this page here, I can go ahead and load it just using a very basic 2017 theme. If I come here, I've got my test page. There's nothing really going on. What I want to do is under Logic Hop, I want to click and I want to use JavaScript. So with my JavaScript conditions, I'm going to add two. So the first one I'm going to add is just a default, which is that WooCommerce shopping cart is empty. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to enter that. So it's really just going to give me this JavaScript section here. So I've got my Woo shopping cart is empty. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to just paste in some content here. And what happens is this is actually going to get triggered is if the cart is empty, this condition is going to fire. The opposite of that is another default condition that we have here, which is the Woo shopping cart has products. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to insert that condition. And then I'm just going to say cart has products, exclamation point, and I'm going to update this. So when I come to my page here and I reload this, what we're going to see is shopping cart is empty. Now this is all being triggered via JavaScript, so even when caching is enabled, this is actually going to fire and function in the background. So one of the things I can do is I have a very basic WooCommerce store set up here, so I've got a product. I'm going to just add this and say product B. I'm going to add 4 of these and make it a size medium and add to my cart. If I view my cart, we can see that I've got some products in here. So now when I come in and I reload this page, it's going to tell me that the cart has a product. So basically what it's doing is it's now triggering these conditions, either of these conditions. So this is just a way to showcase that this will work post-load with caching enabled with WP Rocket. This will also work for all of the other JavaScript components. So with our data, we can come in and we can use variables to display via JavaScript. So any of these, they're hard to see here on the screen, but these WooCommerce components, once this data is available, once a WooCommerce customer is active. So again, I hope this is helpful. This is just a really quick look at this. We're actively developing. We're really excited about adding WooCommerce functionality. We're also really excited about working with the different caching solutions and working with minification. So we're just scratching the iceberg or the tip of the iceberg here. And any requests that you have, let us know. We're really happy to be working on this stuff and happy that you're out there testing it and using it. Thanks again, Michael from Logic Hop. Please email me at info@logichop.com if you have any questions. Thanks.